Ukraine launch a massive drone attack on Milerovo Airfield in Russia's Rostov region. Russian air defense is clearly visible. Russian-affiliated Channel fighter bomber reports Ukraine launched 15 drones at Milerovo Airfield. The channel claims there were no losses in personnel or equipment. According to Ukrinform, the head of the Center for Countering Disinformation at the National Security and Defense Council, Andriy Kovalenko, there was a disco at the Milerovo airfield. For Russia, it is a strategic airfield in the Rostov region. According to him, the airfield serves as a base for Frontline Aviation, which performs tasks to support Russian infantry operating in eastern and southern Ukraine. There were no casualties as a result of the ongoing attack in Milerovo, which began at 9 p.m. local time on Monday. So far, 8 drones have been shot down over the city, while mobile fire groups continue to repel the attack, the Astra Telegram channel reports, citing a statement by the acting governor of the Rostov region, Yuri Slyusar. At the same time, the Russian Defense Ministry reported on 9 allegedly downed UAVs in the region. However, something is burning after the attack on Milerovo, although Russians said everything was intercepted. The Russian garrison's military released footage of the attack repulsed by small arms, showing explosions on the airfield. The footage was used to geolocate the approximate point of the UAV strike. A technical and operational facility that performs maintenance and routine repairs on aircraft based at the airfield is located in the designated area. It is reported that the Russian 31st Fighter Aviation Regiment of the Russian Aerospace Forces, equipped with Su-30SM and Su-35 fighter jets, is stationed at the Milerovo Air Base. Tactical aviation takes off from the base to participate in combat operations against Ukraine. Destroying or long-term incapacitation of military airfields is not an easy task and is often impossible. Therefore, targeting maintenance and logistics facilities on its territory is an effective tactic. Serious damage to airfield technical and operational facilities can complicate preparations for Russian aviation flights and temporarily reduce its activity on the battlefield. This is not the first time that Ukrainian operators of long-range UAVs have used this tactic. In August of this year, drones struck the hangars of the maintenance facility at the Russian airbase Borysoglebsk in the Voronezh region. At that time, the defense forces attacked simultaneously the Borysoglebsk and Baltimore airfields in the Voronezh region and the Savoslayka airbase in the Nizhny Novgorod region. The Russian Ministry of Defense reported shooting down 117 drones and 4 tactical missiles over Russian territory. A few days earlier, Ukrainian drones attacked one of Russia's largest military training grounds in the Rostov region. Explosions are also reported in Kursk. Details are unknown for now. Ukraine is actively developing a powerful missile capable of reaching Moscow, according to The Economist. Currently, over 10 missile projects are underway, with some already completed. The military aims to begin mass production of 3,000 missiles by the end of 2025. One of the key projects, the Trembita, already boasts a range of 200 kilometers and a speed of 400 kilometers per hour, but a larger and more advanced version is in the works. Ukrainian units from the operational tactical group Luhansk repelled a Russian mechanized attack near Nelipivka-Toretsk direction. The battles in the Toretsk direction are part of the ongoing conflict in eastern Ukraine, involving heavy fighting between Ukrainian forces and Russian troops. This area, near Bakhmut, is a key strategic point for controlling supply routes and defending Donetsk region. Combat here has been intense, with artillery exchanges and trench warfare reminiscent of World War I. A local Russian official was driving near the Ukrainian border in the Belgorod region, and his FPV detector started beeping. The image on the monitor shows the video signal of the FPV drone, a Rusariz drone flying over the highway. The driver turned around and drove into the forest, and the drone found a target in the form of a Russian bukanka and destroyed it. training with the elite of the Russian army. Impressive.
Everything. What's your call sign? Next. Krugle. Don't you know your call sign? Where are you originally from? From Ivanovska. Where are you from? Furopus. Come on. Let's go, run. Run. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 2. Come on, 2. Well, these 4 are mobile. These 2 are not at all. All right, turn back.
To be continued.
Back. Well done, you were the first to arrive. Faster than everyone. So you're faking. And where are the other 2?
Until we meet again.
All right. Everything is clear with you.
Russia introduces a new revolutionary weapon in Kursk. The Archangel Michael unit in the Kursk direction plans to provide assistance to the fighters, not with electronic warfare equipment, not with uniforms, and not even with evacuation transport. Instead, it will provide an aircraft designed for sprinkling holy water on the ground and transporting icons. Who's for a bet they will be shut down in their first flight?
The plane is named Archangel Michael, like our unit, because he will protect us. That means the purpose will be, there is a compartment to hold holy water, 100 liters. A small tap will be installed, and it will be just like in cars during a religious procession. Water will be poured. We will sanctify. And in addition to holy water, there will be an icon of Tsar Emperor Nicholas II, the Kazan icon of the Mother of God, the Lord Almighty, and Archangel Michael. There will be 4 icons. Wherever we fly, we will bless our holy Rus. The Kursk direction consumes all party finances, along with Donbass. But I still stand. We are pulling money. I am addressing the businesses to no one else. We are pulling money from everyone.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.